Good morning, students. Welcome to part 6 of our chapter number 9, Soil. In the last video, we have seen about the percentage of water absorbed by a soil. Different types of soil absorbed different quantity of water, right? Now, last topic of the chapter, that is the soil and crops. Different types of crops, they require different type of sands to grow, different type of soil to grow properly, as some require very more amount of water. So in that type of plant, which soil is good? You can say clay soil, because it can absorb the largest amount of water. While there are some plants which require the least amount of water. So that type of plants that can be grown in the region where there is scarcity of water, you can say desert, right? Where there is a sandy soil. So we will see about it. Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. In some parts there is a clay soil, in some parts there is a loamy, while somewhere there is a sandy soil. So soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These are all the factors which affect the type of soil in a particular region. Right? Climatic factors which will affect the soil profile, as well as the components of soil also determine the various types of vegetation and crops that might be grown. Just now I told you, right, that some type of crops, some vegetation require different types of water. So they are preferable for different types of soil. Clay and loamy soil are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Such soils are good at retaining water, right? For paddy, soils rich in clay and organic matter and having good capacity to retain water are ideal, as paddy require more water, so the clay soil is good for this. For lentils, that is masoor and other pulses, loamy soils which drain water easily are required. This type of plants, pulses plants, they need water but not for a long time. So for that the loamy soil is good. For cotton, sandy loam or loam which drain water easily. Just now I told you that loamy sandy or sandy where there is more sand than loam, that type of soil is good for cotton because it does not require more water. It can drain water very easily. उसको ज़्यादा देर तक पानी नहीं चाहिए. Otherwise, yes, it is spoiled. So this was all about the soil. We studied the layers of soil, soil profile, percolation rate, right? So crops such as wheat are grown in the fine clay soils because they need more humus and fertiles. So now the homework is you have to try to solve the exercise of your textbook, right? And I will make you solve it in the next video. But you have to try it once. Okay? Thank you.